Shri Krishna, friends. So last time we can discuss the two important chemical reactions of alkane, which is nitration and sulfonation. Now we can discuss some important more reactions of alkane. In first we can discuss pyrolysis of alkane. Pyrolysis of alkane. What do you mean by pyrolysis? Pyrolysis is the two word pyro and lysis. Pyro means heat, lysis means break. Means the meaning is that if you can break down the bonds with the help of heat, the reaction, the process is known as pyrolysis. Clear? So what is the meaning of pyrolysis? It is nothing but the thermal decomposition of alkane with the help of high temperature. Clear? With the help of high temperature we can break down the alkane. The process is known as pyrolysis. Higher alkanes at a higher temperature the higher temperature is near about 400 to 500 degree Celsius. Higher alkanes at a higher temperature gives lower alkane or alkene by pyrolysis. If we can have alkane, higher alkane, we can get the pyrolysis with the help of heat or in the presence of some catalyst. Yes, here catalyst is also required. It can give alkane or alkene or both or and alkene. Alkane or and alkene. Alkane alkene નું મિક્સર પણ આપી શકે, alkane પણ આપી શકે, alkene પણ આપી શકે. Clear? So if you can have a hydrocarbon, then it can have a two types of bond, CH bond and CC bond. If you can have a hydrocarbon, then it can have a two types of bond, CH bond and CC bond. First thing is that which type of bond is break, CH or CC? Answer is both. Both bonds are break. But if we can use a catalyst, oxides of aluminium, zinc and silica. તમે એલ્યુમિનિયમ કે ઝિંક નો ઓક્સાઇડ યુઝ કરો કે સિલિકા યુઝ કરો તો C બોન્ડ બ્રેક થાય. તો કયો બોન્ડ બ્રેક થાય મિત્રો? C બોન્ડ બ્રેક થશે. If you can use the catalyst as a Cr oxides of chromium, vanadium or molybdenum, then CH bond is break. There is no given in textbook. આપણી ટેક્સ્ટબુક માં આપેલું નથી પણ આપણે યાદ રાખશું. ક્લિયર? તો વાત મગજમાં ઉતરી ગઈ. પાયરોલિસિસ એટલે શું? તો કે હાયર ટેમ્પરેચરે આલ્કેનને બ્રેક કરવા with the help of some catalyst. અને કઈ પ્રોડક્ટ જનરેટ થશે? તો કે લોઅર આલ્કેન, આ જે હાયર હશે એના કરતા આમાં કાર્બન લેસ, એટલે કે લોઅર આલ્કેન અથવા તો લોઅર આલ્કીન અથવા તો બેનું મિક્સર મળશે. ક્લિયર? તો કયા બોન્ડ બ્રેક થઈ શકે? તો કે CH બોન્ડ પણ બ્રેક થઈ શકે, CC બોન્ડ પણ બ્રેક થઈ શકે. CH બોન્ડને બ્રેક કરવા માટે કયા કેટાલિસ્ટની જરૂર પડે? CrMn અને ક્રોમિયમ, વેનેડિયમ અને મોલિબ્ડેનમના ઓક્સાઇડ. જો એલ્યુમિનિયમ અને ઝિંકના ઓક્સાઇડ અથવા તો સિલિકા યુઝ કરો તો કાર્બન કાર્બન બોન્ડ બ્રેક થાય. ક્લિયર? સો ઇટ ઇઝ અ વેરી સિમ્પલ. નાઉ વી કેન ટેક સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ of the reaction. Suppose if we can have a butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, which is normal butane, and now we can get the pyrolysis with the help of heat to final 400 to 500 degrees Celsius in all cases. Now if we can heat in the presence of Al2O3, means that aluminium oxide, it can carry out the break of carbon carbon bond. તો આવી રીતના કાર્બન કાર્બન બોન્ડ બ્રેક થઈ શકે. આ બોન્ડ બ્રેક થશે અહીંયાથી. યસ, ઇટ કેન ઓલ્સો ફોલોઝ ફ્રી રેડિકલ મિકેનિઝમ. it can follows free radical mechanism, but it is not a substitution reaction. In an halogenation, sulfonation and nitration, it is free radical substitution reaction. It is not a free radical substitution, it is only a free radical mechanism. So thing is that कार्बन कार्बन બોન્ડ બ્રેક થાય CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 જો આ બોન્ડ બ્રેક થાય કાર્બન કાર્બન તો એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આ બાજુ એક ઇલેક્ટ્રોન આ બાજુ because of the homolytic cleavage or generation of free radical means we can have two species here CH3 CH2 CH2 dot and CH3 dot. Now this hydrogen, it means that CH2 means that C H and H. Now this bond is break by homolytic cleavage. One electron goes to hydrogen, one electron goes to carbon. Now the species is that CH3 CH dot, CH2 dot and CH3 dot and એની સાથે કોણ કમ્બાઈન થશે હવે આ CH3 ડોટ હતો એની સાથે H ડોટ કમ્બાઈન થશે આ H ડોટ આ બે કમ્બાઈન થઈને ડબલ બોન્ડ ક્રિએટ કરશે CH ડબલ બોન્ડ CH2 બીકોઝ આની આગળ ડોટ હતો એટલે આ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીંયા આ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પણ અહીંયા ફરીથી ડબલ બોન્ડ જનરેટ કરશે અને આ જનરેટ કરશે CH4 તો ઇટ કેન ગીવ alkene and alkane. It can give alkene and alkane. Yes, one possibility is also that અહીં આપણે આ યુઝ કરી શકીએ ઓર સિલિકા યુઝ કરીએ તો પણ આ જ થાય. એક પોસિબિલિટી આ અને એક પોસિબિલિટી આ કે આ કાર્બન કાર્બન બોન્ડ બ્રેક થાય CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. If this carbon is break, this carbon bond is break by homolytic cleavage, then the radicals is like that CH3 CH2 dot and CH2 CH3 dot. Clear? Now one hydrogen is released from here dot dot and it is combined here to give CH3 CH3. It is alkane and it can bond a double bond to create CH2 double bond CH2. It is alkane. It is a mixture of these two. Means that if we can carry out the pyrolysis of normal butane in the presence of Al2O3, then carbon carbon bond is break down and we can get 4 types of product. Clear? First, second, third and fourth. We can get the mixture of alkane and alkene. Any doubt? Now suppose if we can have a catalyst which can break the CH bond. Suppose here we can use Cr2O3 as a catalyst. It can support this CH bond breakdown. The first possibility is that CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here CH bond break. First here free radical and free radical. Now here from this side also generate the radical and H2 is released. Now we can have CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH. Clear? So sorry, CH2. So these are the two products which we can obtain by the pyrolysis in the presence of Cr2O3 if we can break down the CH bond. Clear? And second possibility is that CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here we can have H dot, here we can have H dot. અહીંયાથી એક હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ કર્યો એક અહીંયાથી રિલીઝ કર્યો. This both are combined to give H2 and the alkene is like that. અહીંયાથી એક રેડિકલ જનરેટ થયો અહીંયાથી એક રેડિકલ જનરેટ થયો બેએ ફરીથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોનની પાર્ટનરશિપ કરીને એક આલ્કીન જનરેટ કર્યો જે આલ્કીન આ ટાઈપનું પણ હોઈ શકે. ક્લિયર? તો પોસિબિલિટીઝ આર બોથ. નાઉ ક્લિયર? Now we can take some specific examples of pyrolysis. If we can break CH4 methane, which is a lower alkane, in the presence of 1300 to 1500 Kelvin temperature, it gives C plus 2H2. It is break into carbon. If we can have a CH3 ethane, we can break down 700 to 800 Kelvin with the help of Cr2O3 and Al2O3. Mixture of catalyst Cr2O3 and Al2O3, we can get ethene plus H2. Clear? Because one hydrogen release from here, one hydrogen release from here. Clear? And next, suppose if we can have CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, and we can carry out the pyrolysis there are two types of bond break. Suppose we can use Al2O3 and we can use Cr2O3. It can get C bond break, it can give CH bond break. What is the products? If we can break C bond, then if we can break C bond, then CH3, CH2, CH3. This break, dot and dot. Now one hydrogen is released from here. CH2, CH2, dot, dot. CH3 dot and H dot. These both are combined to form CH4, and these both are combined to form CH2 double bond CH2. It is the mixture of alkane and alkene. Clear? Now if we can break down the CH bond, then CH3, CH2, CH2 dot and H. CH3, CH2, CH2 dot and H dot. Now this hydrogen release, બાજુવાળો hydrogen release થાય ડોટમાં, તો ફરીથી CH3, CH2, CH2 dot dot and H dot H dot. These two combines to form H2, and these two are combines to give CH2 double bond CH2. This is the two products, alkene and H2. So here we can study some important reactions of pyrolysis, in which you can say that how many types of alkane we can get depends on the catalyst. If CC bond break down, then the products are like that. If CH bond break down, then the products are like that. But one thing is confirmed, we can get lower alkane and alkene other than the starting material alkane. Clear? So pyrolysis ની અંદર આટલું જ, આનાથી વધારે કંઈ ન પૂછાઈ શકે. Next we can discuss the some another reactions. Now here next reaction which we can discuss here is aromatization. Of alkane. Next reaction which we can here discuss is aromatization reaction. What do you mean by aromatization reaction? The conversion of aliphatic compound into aromatic compound. The conversion of aliphatic compound into aromatic compound is known as aromatization reaction, or is known as aromatization. Clear? Now which type of alkane shows the aromatization reaction? Then the condition is that the alkanes which can have 6 or more number of carbons shows aromatization reaction. Means that hexane से start થાય. If we can have alkane with 5 carbons, then it cannot shows the aromatization reaction. 6 and more number of carbon having alkane shows the aromatization reaction. 6 or more carbon. We can give the aromatization reaction at a higher temperature like 600 degrees Celsius. With the help of two catalysts, Cr2O3 and Al2O3, it can give aromatic compound. Clear? If we can have a 6 carbon or more carbon than 6, we can heat it up to 600 degrees Celsius near about in the presence of two catalysts Cr2O3 and Al2O3. We can get the aromatic compound, and the reaction is known as aromatization. It is also at 73 Kelvin, and this reaction is also carried out in the presence of higher pressure like 15 atm. This reaction is carried out at a higher pressure at a 15 atm. High temperature, high pressure, 15 atm, higher temperature. Now we can take some examples. Suppose if we can have a hexane, CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexane. Now we can heat it at 73 Kelvin and 15 bar atm pressure. In the presence of Cr2O3 and Al2O3, we can get the product benzene. It is normal hexane. Now you can take the mechanism. It follows the free radical mechanism. like that. First, we can draw the compound. CH3. Here one hydrogen is released to form a free radical H dot. Here also one hydrogen is released to form H dot, and these are like that. Now these two are connect to give here release H2 and like that. CH2, CH2, sorry, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH2. Clear? Now this hydrogen are released to form a radical. બધા જ કાર્બન આગળથી એક એક હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ થશે. અહીંયાથી એક હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ થયું, એક હાઇડ્રોજન અહીંયાથી રિલીઝ થયું, H ડોટ અહીંયાથી રિલીઝ થયું, એક H ડોટ અહીંયાથી રિલીઝ થયું, મતલબ કે આની એક ડોટ આવ્યું, આની એક ડોટ આવ્યું. ઇટ કેન ફોર્મ એ 1H2. અહીંયાથી એક હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ થયું એટલે ડોટ આવ્યું, અહીંયાથી રિલીઝ થયું એટલે એક ડોટ આવ્યું એટલે એક હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ કર્યું, અહીંયાથી હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ થયું, ડોટ આવ્યું એટલે એક હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ કર્યું. તો આ સ્ટેપમાં ફરીથી 3 હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ થયા, મતલબ કે આ સ્ટેપમાં ટોટલ 4 હાઇડ્રોજન્સ રિલીઝ થાય. Now these two are combined to form a double bonds. CH, 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 double bond, and double bond. That is the benzene. Clear? So it is the aromatization reaction. It is the mechanism of aromatization. And it follows the free radical mechanism. Suppose we can have a heptane, normal heptane. It is like that. Normal heptane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can apply the same condition. 873 Kelvin and 15 bar. Sorry, ATM. Higher pressure. In the presence of Cr2O3 and Al2O3, it is converted into the compound methyl benzene, which is known as toluene. Which is also known as toluene, methyl benzene. Mechanism same રહેશે. ફરક ફક્ત એટલો કે methyl group as it is રહેશે. Now suppose if we can have a compound like that, it is octane, normal octane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if we can heat it up to 873 Kelvin and 15 bar with the help of Cr2O3 and Al2O3, what is the product? First product is that, yes, here we can also say that 4 hydrogen is released, here also 4 hydrogen is released. First product is that it is converted into benzene ring and it is like that. આ જે પાર્ટ હતું as it is રહ્યું અને ethyl benzene કહેવાય. That is the one product. એવું જરૂરી નથી મિત્રો કે બે કાર્બન છે અહીંયા એટેચ રહીએ. or એક પ્રોડક્ટ આવી પણ ગેઇન થઈ શકે આપણને. here also 4 hydrogen release, એક મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ અહીંયા, એક મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ અહીંયા. so it is a 1,4-dimethyl benzene. ક્લિયર? આવું પણ થઈ શકે, એક મિથાઇલ અહીંયા અને એક મિથાઇલ અહીંયા, 1,2-dimethyl benzene. અને આવું પણ થઈ શકે કે एक मिथाइल અહીંયા અને એક મિથાઇલ અહીંયા, 1,3-dimethyl benzene. It is a mixture of 4 compounds. Clear? So that is the aromatization reaction. In this, aliphatic alkanes converted into aromatic alkanes. The alkane which can have a 6 or more number of carbons are converted into the aromatic compound with the help of aromatization reaction. The reaction is carried out at a higher temperature and pressure like that, 873 Kelvin and 15 atm. The catalyst is Cr2O3 and Al2O3. If we can have a normal hexane, it is converted into benzene and 4 hydrogen, which is the mechanism, free radical mechanism. If we can have a normal heptane, it is converted into toluene. If we can have a normal octane, there are 4 possibilities: ethyl benzene, 1,2, 1,3 and 1,4-dimethyl benzene. So it is the aromatization reaction of alkane. So the next reaction of alkane is isomerization reaction, which is, what is the name? Isomerization reaction. What is the identification? The process of conversion of one isomer into another isomer. is known as isomerization reaction. Suppose if we can have one isomer and we can convert it into the second isomer, we can use anhydrous AlCl3 plus concentrated HCl for the reagent. 200 degrees Celsius means 573 Kelvin and higher pressure 35 atm. That is the condition of aromatization. Clear? So what is the one isomer is converted into second isomer? What is the name of this reaction? Isomerization reaction. If we can have one isomer and we can convert it into the second isomer, we can help this reagent anhydrous AlCl3 plus concentrated HCl. It is heated to 200 degrees Celsius or to 573 Kelvin. Generally it is 200 to 300. We can remember 573 Kelvin. Clear? 300 and 35 atm. Suppose if we can have a normal butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, it is normal butane. Now we can heat 573 Kelvin and 35 atm in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 plus concentrated HCl. We can get CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, isobutane. Can get isobutane. Clear? Now suppose if you can have 2-methyl pentane, we can get the isomerization reaction anhydrous AlCl3 plus concentrated HCl 573 Kelvin and 35 atm. What is the product? It is converted into 2,3,4,2,3-dimethyl butane. That is isomer. If you can count the number of carbons and number of hydrogens, then it is same. Suppose if we can have a pentane, normal pentane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can get the isomerization reaction with the help of anhydrous AlCl3 and concentrated HCl at this temperature and this pressure. We can get the mixture of two isomers, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. Number of carbon and hydrogen is same. That is isobutane. Plus we can get CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. Isopentane, and it is neopentane. It is a specific example which we can discuss here. Suppose if we can have a one isomer and if we can convert into the second isomer, we can have a reaction which is isomerization reaction. The reagent which we can use for here is Al2O3 and HCl, mixture of anhydrous AlCl3 and concentrated HCl at a higher temperature and higher pressure. Some examples which you can discuss here. So in this lecture we can discuss three types of reaction: pyrolysis, aromatization and isomerization. Pyrolysis માં શું તો કે higher alkane high temperature break થાય અને lower alkane અને alkene આપે, or mixture of lower alkane and alkene, which depends on the reagent. If we can have oxides of Zn, Al and silica, then we can get carbon-carbon bond cleavage, and the reaction mechanism is free radical. If we can have a chromium, vanadium and molybdenum oxide, we can get CH bond breakage. We can get one product is H2. Mechanism is also free radical. Now if we can discuss in aromatization, then 6 and more number of carbons are heated in the presence of Cr2O3 and Al2O3 at a high temperature and pressure. It can convert into the aromatic compound and its derivative. We can get benzene and its derivative. Clear? Like toluene, ethyl benzene, 1,2-dimethyl, 1,4-dimethyl, whatever. And suppose if you can convert one isomer into another isomer, then the reagent is anhydrous AlCl3 and concentrated HCl at an elevated temperature and elevated pressure converted into second isomer. The examples is like this. સો આજના માટે આટલું મિત્રો, લખીને પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહેજો. ખૂબ સરળ અને આસાન ચેપ્ટર છે. વધારે આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશું નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ.